Greetings family and welcome to African Math. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a wonderful resource to help early learners transition from counting and adding using their fingers to counting and adding using African numerals and standard numbers. The play sheet is available on africanmath.com/village, link in the description below. Now let's get into it. Alright family, so this is the Funny Fingers Games play sheet. Alright, and this is the activity that's going to help your learner go from counting on their fingers to counting using African numerals and standard numbers. So here's how you play the game. First off, this is an interactive activity. We're going to be using our hands and writing values on the play sheet, okay? So let's start over here in the upper left. What we're going to do when you sit down with your learner is you're going to start out by saying the number while making a fist, alright, and saying the value. So for this first value, it's 0, and 0 is represented by a fist, like this, okay? Then what we'll do is that we trace the African numeral, which is going to be a circle with a line through it. That's 0, all right? And then we'll trace the number, like this, 0, okay? Simple enough. Next up, we'll use our other hand. Our left hand is going to represent 0 right now, and our right hand is going to represent 1 through 5. Okay, so then our right hand, we can stick out our first finger, our pointer finger, to represent 1. Okay, so then we say, okay, next one is 1. And we're going to read the math sentence aloud. So this is going to be 0 put together with 1, or 0 plus 1. All right. Again, we make the gesture with our finger and then we trace. So we're going to trace 0 plus 1 is 1. All right. And for 1 doesn't have a circle. We don't want to trace the circle. We just want to write the 1. This is a core principle of African numerals, but we'll be going over those some more in future lessons. For now, just trace the individual tick mark like this, okay? Next up, we have 2. So we're going to make the gesture with our hands and read the math sentence. We have 0 plus 2, which equals 2. So we'll trace 0 plus 2 equals 1 and 2. Again, encourage learners to count using their fingers. So we can even go 0 plus 1, 2. Our answer is 2. Okay? On to the next. We'll just keep on going with that same pattern. First, we make this gesture. 3, 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3. And then we count up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, on to the next. 0 plus 4. All right. 0 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Next up and lastly, we have 0 plus 5, which is 0 plus 5. And then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So now we're halfway through, but we're switching it up a little bit now because now we've used all of our fingers on our right hand. So we're going to incorporate our 0 hand again. All right. So as you see here, we have 1 to the left. So that's going to be 1 plus, or put together from this symbol here, 5. So again, we trace 1 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. So again, we're going to make our gestures first. 2 plus 5 equals, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 7. So then we can trace 2 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. We're almost done. Now let's move on to the next value, and I'm going to show you a little shortcut. This is for those, once your learner starts to get the hang of it, they can use a special count on technique, and I'll show you what that looks like now. So again, we start out with our gestures, 3 plus 5, but since we already know 5 is over here to our left and we can count on, right? We can just start counting forward from 5 to find our answer. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. And then we trace 3 plus 5 equals 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. We're almost done, just a few more. Next up, we start out with 4 plus 5, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Trace our 4 plus 5. And if at any point your learner forgets where they are, they forget their value, again, just have them reset with the gestures. 4 plus 5, and then count on, right? So you can either do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or count starting from 0. So say, for example, if a learner starts with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just kindly remind them, let's start out over and count from the beginning. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Now we have our answer and we agree. So if you have a different answer than your learner, don't say, no, you got it wrong. Just tell them, I'm not sure. I don't have the same answer. Let's check again. Okay, so that we can both get to the same answer and agree. We don't want to create a harsh environment of getting puzzles wrong. We want to have it be a collaborative, playful experience where learners can get the answers right. All right. So now let's keep on counting. So we already marked our 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on our last puzzle, we got a whammy. 5 put together with 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So our answer is going to be 10. And then we trace 5 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job. Now, you can download this resource on africanmath.com. Link in the description below in the African Math Academy. The goal should be to fill out this play sheet every day for a full week until the learner fully understands the different concepts being used and have associated these the African numeral values with their fingers. All right, and once they've done that, they'll be ready to move on to the next activity.